Hello students, myself Archana Varude. Now we start chapter number 5, that is oscillators, and after watching this video you will be able to understand what is meant by feedback in electronic circuits, what is meant by positive and negative feedback. First we see what is meant by feedback in electronics. In general process, we know that when we provide the input signal to any electronic circuit, then at last we measure the output voltage or current at the end. But here, suppose that input signal, some part of that input signal is provided to the input. That means it returns some part of input signal to that circuit, and that is known as a feedback. And these feedback systems, they are widely used in amplifier circuits, oscillators, process control systems, and in many other areas. And the definition of feedback is the process of returning a part of output signal, that is output voltage or output current, and feeding it back to the input circuit again, then it is called as a feedback. And here we return some part of that output signal to the input signal, and that process is called as a feedback. Observe this diagram. Here first diagram shows that it is without feedback. Here that input voltage is Vi and output voltage is V0. And when we observe this figure B, then it is with feedback. See here that Vi, it is again an input voltage, that output voltage is V0, but from this diagram it is observed that some part of that output signal, it is returning back to the input signal. Suppose that factor is beta, and then that beta, it is returning to the input signal, and this is called as a with feedback. And there are two types of feedbacks. First is positive feedback and second is negative feedback. And this feedback, it can also be classified as a voltage feedback and current feedback. And as we see in the earlier slide, that figure A shows a block diagram of an amplifier without feedback. Here the input signal appears between the base and emitter of a common amplifier. Here this is the base and emitter terminal in the first diagram, and the output voltage is V0, and that voltage gain is given by that input voltage Vi upon output voltage V0, that is Vi upon V0. And now let the fraction beta of the output voltage V0 is fed back through a feedback network as shown in the figure B, and as a result of this the input voltage and also output voltage will be changed. Let us consider the values. Suppose that beta is the fraction of the output voltage fed to the input, that means return to the input. It is also called as feedback factor. V0, it is the output voltage of an amplifier without feedback. V0 dash, it is the output voltage of an amplifier with feedback, and AV, it is the overall voltage gain of an amplifier with feedback. And the feedback network, it applies a fraction of the output voltage V0 dash to the input voltage. And here the voltage feedback to the input will be, that is beta V0 dash, and therefore the input voltage will be given by Vi, that is input voltage plus that feedback factor is beta into V0 dash, and that is called as a positive feedback. Similarly, the value of input voltage will be Vi minus beta V0 dash, that is negative feedback. That feedback may be positive or negative. Thus, the input voltage due to positive and negative feedbacks are given as: first, for positive feedback, that value is Vi plus beta V0 dash, and for negative feedback, its value is Vi minus beta V0 dash. And this input voltage is amplified by the amplifier, and the output voltage is given by V0 dash is equals to AV into V0. Then we find the expression for the voltage gain, first for positive feedback and then for negative feedback. Here we consider for positive feedback. Here for positive feedback, the feedback voltage will be plus beta V0 dash, and the output voltage V0 dash with the positive feedback is given by V0 dash is equals to AV, that is average voltage gain, in bracket Vi plus beta V0 dash. And if we solve this bracket, then we get V0 dash is equals to AV into Vi plus AV into beta V0 dash. And if we take the common factors on left hand side, then we get V0 dash minus AV into beta V0 dash is equals to AV into Vi. Then in next step we get VO dash in bracket 1 minus AV beta. Here VO dash is common, is equals to AV into Vi. Then if we take Vi on left hand side, then we get the equation VO dash upon Vi is equals to AV upon in bracket 1 minus AV beta. And this ratio VO dash upon Vi is the voltage gain with the feedback, and it is denoted by AVF, or we may write AVF, that is average voltage gain with feedback, is equals to VO dash upon Vi, and therefore we get the equation AVF is equals to AV upon 1 minus AV into beta. This is the expression for voltage gain of positive feedback. Now we find for negative feedback. Here the negative feedback voltage will be given by minus beta VO dash. Then the output voltage VO dash with the negative feedback is given by VO dash is equals to AV in bracket Vi minus beta VO dash. Here the only difference is that here we use the negative sign for negative feedback, and for positive feedback that equation is Vi plus beta VO dash. Then again solve the bracket. VO dash is equals to AV into Vi plus AV into beta VO dash. Then VO dash plus AV beta VO dash is equals to AV into Vi. Then take VO dash as a common, then we get VO dash in bracket 1 plus AV beta is equals to AV into Vi. Then if we take Vi on left hand side and that bracket 1 plus AV into beta on right hand side, then we get VO dash upon Vi is equals to AV upon 1 plus beta AV. And this ratio VO dash upon Vi, it is the voltage gain with the feedback, and it is denoted by AVF. And therefore we get AVF is equals to VO dash upon Vi, and the last equation is AVF is equals to AV upon 1 plus beta AV. This is the expression for voltage gain. And here these are two important notes. First is, for all type of voltage feedback, the feedback circuit is connected in parallel at the output terminal, and for all type of current feedback, the feedback circuit is connected in series with the output. Here the difference is that for voltage feedback, connect the circuit in parallel, and for current feedback the circuit is connected in series at the output terminal. That's all about this video. Thank you.